What's good, Chatterbait? We are back with another fucking video, Chatterbait. Chatterbait, we're back, Chatterbait. Chatterbait, we're back. Um, got a little, what I'm saying, nice little trade. I'm getting better at trading. Getting better. Not a too terrible trade. There are more opportunities that I was looking for other than this. This is probably, the least one I was looking for because it was too early to trade. I think it was a 12:50 when I entered. So not really, type of feeling I'm trying to accomplish. How do I look? I don't want to put the door in there. All right. Shit. But this is the trade we took. Not too bad at all. Nice little 1 to 2. So I did get how much? Like today. Can we refresh? We got $17 basically. Definitely not a bad trading day. We got a $10 and then a 7 and 35. So let me explain to you what the trade was all about. We can go on here. Actually, let's go on the 1 hour. So we see there's a thing over here, and then we came down, rejected, came all the way back up to retest, and we had this again. We're on the 1 hour, so let's keep in mind we have this rejection, and then on the way down we made this higher high, or no, lower high, my bad, kinda, I mean higher high. We made a higher high because we're on an uptrend and we haven't broke structure to the downside on that 1 hour yet. So we made a higher high right here, and this is the higher high. We came up, we rejected on that 1 hour high. I was like, my strategy is telling me, like, I thought it was going to rip to my shit, and it did rip to my shit. So I'm glad I entered, but I only entered with $10 because again, this is not an ideal entry, especially using I want to catch bigger moves. That's my goal with this 1 hour reversal. So honestly, this might be a runner though. That's why I'm looking towards to entering this again, maybe if I see like some sort of break through this rejection. We're having this this weird price action right here, so this shows that it is showing some sort of rejection with all these wicks and shit. So I don't think it's going to break through and give me a retest, but that's why I exited the full position, because I didn't think it was going to continue. But it could be a runner. I think it's going to come up and retest this 1 hour high at least, or maybe come up and tap into this order block, or into this equilibrium. But yeah, that's our trade. We broke structure off this 1 hour high rejection. We broke structure to the downside off of the, can I zoom in? Off of this low. So this low right here. And then we broke right there. We came back up into the order block. We had a rejection, and we had a rejection, but that's where I entered because I thought it closed below. So big mistake by me. On Trade Locker though, it updates a lot quicker on here. So low right here, and then the rejection you can see right here. We actually closed on the line. I can like go in for fucking forever. We closed exactly on the line. So I mean, it's not, You know what I mean? It is what it is. But we came up in withdraw. We wicked out this order block retracement. So I could have put my shit like up here. And that's where I would have put in it if I was to want to have the stop loss on the order block retracement, which is what I normally do, and I would have gotten a better risk to reward ratio. But I was like, I don't know, it might come up and meet this and then reverse off of it. So I was like, I'm gonna put it right there. Safe play. I would definitely do it again, no matter what. And then off that breaker structure, we had the order block retracement, and then we closed below the rejection, entering, and then it just ripped down to my 1 hour low. Go on the 1 hour. This is that 1 hour low. Obviously ripped through it, and then we also hit this 1 hour low. So we had 2 take profits in this trade. We took profit on this candle that you can see. Took profit on this candle. We bought it back. This I was trying to do a pending so it could buy back my sell positions, and I don't know how to do that. I only know when I'm in the position that you can just click the like edit position and then take out some of the lots. But yeah, I don't really know how to do that. I saw TJR do it on his video. He like put a pending position on Trade Locker. I mean on Trading View while he was in a position. I tried doing it obviously, but it didn't really work out. I want to do some research on that so I can just like place the trade and just leave it. Like the only like thing I have to edit is if it hits my first take profit, I have to adjust my stop loss to break even. But that's really everything. Quick little trade, you know what I mean? I don't know if I'm gonna trade again. I would rather not because I'm getting a little tired. But this right here is on weekly highs. On this weekly high right here. So we might see and daily high over here. So we might see a crazy rejection, but it is fucking ripping right now. This is definitely a bull market. We do have liquidity over here though. That's higher. So it's not all-time highs, but that shit is like up though. So probably all the maybe it's Japanese yen. This is Japanese yen maybe. I think here, let's see. Yep, Japanese yen is just fucking flying right now. Wow. Don't mind all the fucking arrows, I don't even know. But that's our trade. That's our trade recap. Hope y'all enjoyed the vid. Haven't made a video in a little second because having troubles with my sleep schedule. The thing about Forex is it's all European. Like all the volatility is in London session. Like dead ass. Like all the volatility is just in London session. And the thing that sucks about that is and that it makes me want to switch over to trading Nasdaq, but these are two different like I need to learn how to read the 1 minute because you can't trade ES and Nasdaq on the 5 minute. It's just too slow and it doesn't give you enough detail. Damn, why my ear itching? But yeah, maybe I want to switch over to this because it also like just my sleep schedule in general and like my school day. I do it. I'm in virtual, which is amazing because I only have classes. I do have class on Friday, which is today after I wake up, like at 1:45 p.m. But yeah, I just wish I could trade in the morning rather than in the middle of the night. for obvious reasons. But maybe I'll try to switch over to trading the ES and NASDAQ, but I have to pay a subscription to get the live feed, which sucks. But that's how it is. Little trade though, I do not mind that trade. That is a nice trade. We had the 1 hour reversal, we had the breaker structure, we had the order block retracement, and we took out our liquidity that we targeted. So picture perfect trade. Love y'all. I hopefully can catch y'all in the next episode. Are we gonna call it episodes now? Trade recap. Enjoy y'all day. Hope y'all having a great day.